So once we have our blocks in place, how do we utilize them, so to speak? How do we content reuse, to use some words that I've mentioned previously? Well, as usual, I've set up a drawing for you. We're in utilizing blocks complete for the video. You want utilizing blocks.dwg from your working files. I've got a block of a chair. I've got a block of a small square table. Now, I want 3 more chairs going around the table. So I'm just going to pan downwards a little bit to give me a little bit of scope above the table. And what I can do here, I can utilize this chair block and I can actually move, copy it, mirror it in a way that I couldn't normally do if that was a group of lines and arcs and rectangles and things. So much quicker just to select that one object. And what I might do is I might actually mirror or rotate it. So let's mirror it first. If I do a mirror command up here on the modify panel on the home tab, so I click on mirror and it asks for the first point of my mirror line. So I click there, second point of mirror line there. Do I want to erase the source objects? No, I don't. So I press enter and there we go. There's my 2 chairs. Now I need a chair here and I need a chair here. Can you see how quick that was though? Because I'm using blocks, it's so much quicker. So the next step now is to actually rotate these 2 objects here through 90 degrees so that I've got one there and I've got one there. Nice and easy. We select that and we select the other chair. I can then right click and use the shortcut menu if I want to for rotate. Specify base point. I need to use the actual center point of the table. How do I get that? I make sure that I've got polar, OSNAP, OTrack dynamic on down here on the status bar, which I have. I hover there and I hover there. And as I drag down, there's the intersection for the center of the table. So I click. So now I can rotate around the center of the table. Can you see that? I'm going to right click again though, and I'm going to select copy because I want to retain the original 2 chairs in the vertical position. Rotation angle, 90 degrees. Enter. It keeps the 2 chairs in the vertical position and rotates and copies to the horizontal position. That's what I mean by utilizing blocks. Imagine if all of those were separate lines, arcs, circles, rectangles, whatever the chairs are made of. Imagine if I'd missed one piece before I did that rotate copy, before I did that mirror command. I would have had to have undone it and gone back again and started again. Because the chairs are all one object, I am content reusing. It makes life so much quicker, smarter and easier. It makes you a more effective CAD user. It makes you a much more productive CAD user.